Costco, and it's midweek, which means it's not as busy, so I'll take it. And always go the back way so you don't get tempted. You know what I mean? Those deals, those front sales, even though sometimes they're good, especially when it's food. But when it's not food, probably don't need it. Today, I'm here for a quick Costco trip because I'm buying stuff for a barbecue. I've got a few friends coming over in Costco, even though I could have gone to the grocery store. In fact, the grocery store has meat that I like better. But the reason I go to Costco for barbecues, for parties, even if it's last minute or I need to be quick, is because the meat quality. The meat quality here at Costco is pretty incredible. And it's not just the price, literally the flavor, the cuts that they have, and the selection. I'll start off with their steaks. So normally I always go for their USDA prime beef, and that's all you need. Today I'm gonna get some ribeyes. These guys look real good. Look at that marbling. That's just flavor, and guess what? The fat, I'm for it. That grilled up with some rice, bomb, bomb, bomb. Now this one's a little bit pricey, $20.99. But I'll take it because I want to go for the ribeyes today. Yeah, I'm gonna get these ones too. Got a whole bunch of guys that love their steak. Now at this Costco, they don't have the American Wagyu. Costco does carry an American Wagyu, which is awesome. So it's gonna be closer to Seattle, maybe in the Redmond, Issaquah area, definitely, because I've seen it there. Amazing, and definitely probably the best priced American Wagyu you can get. So Costco is the place to go for meat. And when it comes to organic chicken thighs, I mean, you just can't beat Costco. This 3-pack right here, it's 28 bucks, but it is organic. It's boneless, skinless, so it's very convenient. What we usually do is separate it and then put a couple of them in the freezer and then use one right away. Today, I'll probably use one of them for the grilling session. And if you've been following this vlog, you know I'm all about the whole chicken right now. So that 3-pack of chicken thighs, which is a lot of meat, and it's good meat, it's specifically chicken thighs, was 28 bucks. Look, 2 whole chickens. You're getting way more meat. You're getting the bones, you're getting the innards, also $28. You just can't beat it. Pre-marinated Kalbi short ribs, $10.99, I think per pound, yeah, per pound. Oh yeah, I bet that's amazing. Let's look at it. Whew. Already marinated too for Korean dinner. I think that's the way to go if you need something super convenient. That is expensive though, 26 bucks. But I'm gonna get it because I'm in a rush. That's perfect because it's pre-marinated, it's ready to go. Throw it on the grill, you got lunch ready. Boom. Uh-oh. I wasn't gonna get it, but the bacon white cheddar smoked sausages on sale, $2 off. I'm definitely gonna grab one of these guys. For breakfast, we've been loving this, but really, just heat it up, eat it with some rice. It's a nice, quick little protein bite if you don't have anything else. Not for the party, but I'm just gonna have it in the fridge. So I do want a side dish, and Costco does not let you down when it comes to side dishes. These are amazing, and I find the quality is as good, if not better, than most grocery stores you would go to. I'm gonna get this Mediterranean orzo pasta salad. It's got some tomatoes. What is that, chorizo? Some kind of meat in there. Oh, salami, spinach. This will be a nice side to the steaks. One thing I find about Costco sides are these pre-prepared dishes. Really fresh, high quality, which you would expect anywhere, but stuff doesn't sit. Like, in fact, like the New Yorks, right? I came here just the other day and they don't have New Yorks anymore because stuff just flies off the shelf. I was joking about how it's not really busy. But it's crazy how many people come through Costco and shop for stuff. And because of it, stuff doesn't sit on the shelf very long. So if you grab any kind of dish that's prepared, it's pretty fresh. Weirdly, I've been craving salmon, so I'm gonna get this fresh wild sockeye salmon right here. This fresh wild sockeye salmon looks amazing. I love the color, and skin on, really important. I'll probably pan fry these. Also really good with rice. Last time I was talking to somebody here that works in the meat department. Shout out to the meat guy, by the way. But outside of the quality, I love the employees here. They really are happier. It's not like they go out of their way to be smiley and happy. I can sense some passion and some genuine interest in what they do. It's not just a job. They really like it, or they're passionate about it. They really like it and they enjoy what they do. The meat guy, for example, just knew everything. He knew about not just the meat here, he knew the meat at other Costco's. He was even recommending going to the business Costco, by the way. The business Costco, he was saying, does have better deals on meat. So that's just a little side tip because you're buying in bigger quantities there. And I believe their meat department is bigger because they have a way bigger selection. You can find better deals. Just a little side note. But yeah, just love talking to him because he knows everything. You don't really expect it at Costco, and it's not like they have a ton of employees trying to help you out, but if you run into one and have a question, they'll answer it and they'll do you good. By the way, these organic watermelons, which of course for a barbecue is amazing, have been awesome. You already know sometimes it's hit or miss with the watermelons. Not just at Costco, anywhere, but these ones, really good right now. All right, let's get some veggies. Lately, the girls have specifically asked for broccoli, not broccolini, but just old school broccoli. We roast these. A little salt and pepper, garlic, toss this in the olive oil mixture, and then just roast it in a convection oven or a regular oven. So good. Roasted, little black bits on the edge. So delicious, so flavorful, and the kids love it. You know, I saw this at Business Costco, and one of you guys in the comments mentioned they do have this giant package of garlic. Let's see how long this lasts. I've never really been into this, but my friend Matt, who's a chef, he actually bought it. Let's see, when's the expert? Oh, right there, Doi. Best by August 23rd. So it'll last a month. I'm gonna try this out. Whenever I'm doing grilling and entertaining and I've got guests over, I don't like to deal with garlic because it's kind of a hassle peeling. So it'll be fun trying this out. I've never done it. I've never used this before, but I'm sure it'll be perfectly fine. I'm gonna use this to baste butter on the steak, so yeah. Oh, and it's 18 bucks. So it's a lot of garlic that's pre-peeled. More for convenience. Again, today I'm kind of in a rush. I'm entertaining some people, and I need to get going on prepping for the grill. If you didn't know, Washington is known for their apples, and we've got awesome apples right now. These Fujis, $6.49 for this whole bag. That is a good deal. We use these for juicing, so that's where we get our apples when we're making our green juices. For just snacking on apples or slicing it and giving to the kids, we prefer Honey Crisp. We find those are the best flavor, especially the big ones. But for juicing, we just use whatever's on sale. Of course, we're trying to buy organic. But yeah, Washington has tons of apples. It's pretty crazy, all the different types. Hello?
Hi, honey.
Hi.
Did you go to Costco?
Yeah, I'm at Costco right now. I'm about to leave soon.
Okay. Just want to make sure you're picking up chicken because I was going to do a prep sale for the girls.
Chicken thighs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, chicken thighs. Coming your way.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Happy wife, happy life. To whoever recommended this grass-fed butter, thank you. We've been loving it. This whole thing, $9.99. They didn't have the price last time. I think it's a good deal. Oh, now that I look at it, way better deal than the Kerrygold. Kerrygold is what we typically buy with the same amount of butter, $4.50 more. Totally forgot cucumbers. I mean, it's really the best deal. We use these for juicing, and it's a nice side dish just to, you know, health up your meals on a hot summer day. I love my champagne, and I saw this champagne. It's a Brut from France, $11.89, which is a better deal than the Costco Kirkland Signature brand. I'm gonna try this. I'll let you know how this tastes. If I don't vlog me trying these things on this channel, I usually always vlog on my family channel, all the food and the drinks. So go check it out. It's Judy's Life. I'm sure most of you guys know of it because you're from It's Judy's Life, but yeah. I'm also gonna buy the Kirkland Signature. This right here, underrated, only 20 bucks. So I'm cutting through the aisles or the middle part, which I almost never go through. It's crazy how good Costco is at tempting you. Ooh, applesauce. We just go through this like crazy with 5 girls that all eat at least one a day. What's that?
Have you ever seen somebody so excited about applesauce?
Oh yeah, I love applesauce. I got 5 kids and they love this stuff.
You better be prepared.
Oh yeah. By the way, Kinders, what do you guys think of it? Hickory brown sugar. Judy was asking me about it the other day. Is it worth the buy? If you know, you know. And here's my final cart. I'm not gonna explore today, though I wish I could. This is literally just for grilling today. Did you know that Costco has ice? And it's a really good deal. $2.49 for this whole bag. It's gotta be the best price ice around. And of course, perfect for barbecues.
Hi there.
Hi.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Thank you very much. Take care.
Hi there.
Same lady. She did go a little faster, but I had less stuff. So, anyways, total price. Let's see. I don't even know. $312. You know, entertain. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. Plus, of course, some usual items. Costco's the way to go.